Okay guys, this is Pedro from TCS and Projects. As you can see, we're working this board and now it's totally done right now. So we come to say, bro, let's show them what we did with the guys. Man, this is TCS and Projects. Okay? This side it was plain white, but now it's a full design right here. It's properly done right now. Come on, finish this photo right now. Yeah. Look at the best. You can see how clear the fish is, man. The Altino, you know what it is. Yeah. So, tell me what you're saying, guys. We are the best.